Now we are done with all the methods. We can create the main code in the main method, right? So we are going to run this in a loop. So long as the user doesn't enter 4, the program will keep on running. So what we do is, I'll just use a do. We're going to keep running some code while some, I'll say, choice is not equals to 4, right? And then I'll just declare the choice here. Then we know the choice we are going to get from the display options method, right? The display options method gives us the options. So while the thing is not 4, we run the code. So let's see what happens when you do that. Except expected a semicolon after the while. Let's clear the console and run it again. Right, so we do get enter our choice. If you say the choice is 4, it exits the code. If our choice is not 4, let's say we choose 2, then we are asked to do the same thing over and over again, right? So that is fine. We display the options and then we get our choice. Then if the choice is equals to 1, we want to add task. So then if the choice is 1, we call the add task method, and the add task method takes the list and takes a reference to the number of elements. Else if the choice is 1, the choice is 2, then if the choice is 2, we want to display the tasks. Then we call the display tasks method, and it takes in a list, and the number of elements doesn't need a reference. And then we have as if the choice is 3, if the choice is 3, then what do we do when the choice is 3? We remove a task. We call remove task, and we use it takes in a list, and we need a reference because we need to decrement the number of elements each time we remove a task, right? So then this should be our program. Clear and run the code. Enter add task. What does this say? If I enter 2, it must tell me the task was not found. So then the add task was add task. Found. Wait, if I enter, if I try to display the tasks that don't exist, then this must only work if the number of elements is greater than 0. So then we do this. Otherwise, what we want to do is console dot write line. What did they write over there? No tasks found. No tasks found. So yeah, that should fix it, and we can rerun the code and see what happens. So now if you try to display, it says no tasks found, and then if we choose one and we say complete preg, then it is added. Then we do quiz, then it is added. Then we can display the tasks. Complete preg and do quiz are displayed. Then we can delete. What do we want to delete? We have do quiz. We could choose do quiz. Then we do the display. If we display it, we only have complete preg and the do quiz has disappeared. So that is all the code for preg 9.